No, they were different.
Erie Railroad. This is real nice. An E7. Conrail. Pennsylvania Railroad, and then the CNO.
Okay, the way the railroads did it, I realize everybody looking at the map feels the top of the map is north. Not on the railroad. It's how you stood when you looked at the map. When you looked at, we call it a model border track diagram. So the top of this map is south of Columbus. Off to the bottom is north. Off to the left is east.
Hey Edward, I need to save batteries, so I gotta go.
Because if you just take the map and lay it down,
Later.
that's why the top of this map is south towards Columbus. You get oriented in a hurry.
Yeah. What did this station shut down?
This shut down this tower. The station itself, the station shut down in April 30th, 1971 was the last passenger service. That's when the station closed. The tower closed in January of '95.
Thanks for showing us. Appreciate it.
If you want to stay up here while this next train goes by, it's only going to be a few minutes.
Oh, okay.
It's up to you.
Yep. No,
Where's it gonna be coming from?
which way? East, west, north, south?
It's an eastbound train.
Okay.
Hi there, how you doing?
All right.
This is my first time being in here. What about you?
Yeah, first here.
Yeah, I come here almost every single day.
Where are you from?
Tennessee.
Really? How about that?
NW.
Well, I've been to Nashville, and I've been to Knoxville, and I've been to Chattanooga.
Yeah, that's all the fun stuff's at.
Yeah. Stayed in the Chattanooga Choo-Choo back when it was going, and rode the train at the museum out on the east side of town, and I rode the incline. Stopped to and from our way to Florida there.
Okay, Michael Maine. Okay.
Your first time here?
Third.
Third. Good for you.
Yep.
So you get up here pretty often.
Moderately, yeah.
You YouTuber? YouTuber?
Not really.
No.
I am.
Yeah.
You,
I post on YouTube so I can save space on my phone.
you hitting some of the other spots in Ohio?
Not really. But the, I only have time for this one spot.
Well, glad you stopped.
Yeah.
Yeah, this spot's great. We get a lot of heritage units through here. And if it's not a heritage unit, it's usually a CSX YN2.
Sweet.
Okay.
It's pretty rare not to see anything too crazy. Like, you'll see H2s come through on BNSF. Sometimes you'll catch a Union Pacific.
Michael Maine, you okay, what?
We don't get very many foreigners on the rail, though.
Yeah.
What?
There's the horn.
I think it may be either a coal train or a hopper train.
Yeah.
Man, they're both about the same thing.
Well, one's an empty and one's a load. That's quite a difference.
Yep. Here it comes.
Okay. No recording.
Now you can see where it is on the board. I'm going along with it.
Oh, you actually can. That's pretty cool. Ah, there. Yo, when you left, see the Canadian National 100-year unit went through.
I've seen it.
Oh, you did?
No, I've seen it on your channel.
Oh. I didn't even know it was their kitchen. I didn't realize it until later. I was like, oh, fuck, you needed that 100 CN on the side.
We do have the Illinois terminal coming.
I know, that's why I'm here. I miss TAG. Tennessee, Alabama, and Georgia.
Thanks for checking this out.
You're welcome.
I think those cars are empty because it's a lot quieter. I changed my mind.
That diamond almost black. It's made that way.
Where's Jacob the grandma track?
What?
Where's Jacob the grandma track?
I don't know. I think Jaden is like 7 miles down that way. 7-ish miles. He's at Sam's house right now, so he's gonna tell us when he sees the Illinois terminal, and then we'll have information, and then the Illinois terminal will show up at the station about 10 minutes later. You can see it up on the board. Let's see where the train's at. I'm gonna record that for a second. You got a YouTube channel? What is it? Well, obviously I'm gonna check it out after I'm done recording this. And now that he's it should pop up on the board, and then yep. Come on. Yep. Up, yard engine's moving. Just past AC Tower. Just past the 4-way. And that's about to be gone here in like 3 seconds. Maybe 4. Maybe 5. Maybe 6. Maybe 7. Possibly 8. I have no clue why he's not gone yet, but yeah. Awesome.